Sometimes we may need to export a PPT document to images, and WPS Office can help us. Take this file as an example. Click Tools, and in the File tab, select Export Images. Here we have two export methods. They are File to Long Image and Export Images. Select File to Long Image. Then we enter the Select area. Select the thumbnails of the targeted pages for export. Click OK, and the images are grouped as a long image. In the Layout window, common users can only export an image with a watermark, and premium users can select the original or other beautiful layouts. Click Share again, and we have multiple options. We can save image, send cloud, export as other formats, print, or share via ShareIt, etc. Select Export Images. Select the thumbnails of targeted pages for export, and select Next. Premium users can export clearer images. The rest of the steps are the same as exporting a long image. Click Share and select a sharing channel. In PC, we can also customize the watermark and set the export format with this feature. Try to know about them.